Okay folks, thought I'd get you back up on here. I'm going to peel this back. It's on the top of the mound here, and it looks like I'm getting into some glass there, so peel that back. If I see anything, or if anything pops out, you'll be able to get it. You'll see it. Here's some more shoes here. I think I'm just going to call this place the shoe factory from now on. Looks like I'm back here. Alright, so here we go. Lots of broken stuff. Lots of broken glass. Different colors. Nothing whole yet. Move over to here. Nope. Go for an explorer, folks, and found another dump site. Just scrape that stuff up with my hand. Pulled out this Davis Painkiller vegetable, and this old one here. There's no embossing on it. Broke right there in the corner. They're both screw tops, but I'm gonna go back to the vehicle and get my shovel and bag and get back up here and see what I can dig out. Catch you in a bit. Okay folks, I've been tearing this place apart. I'm not finding much of it. Well, there's lots here, but everything's all broke. Anything good. I found this glass is all pretty old. Some of it's pretty old. Got a couple inks. Carter's mucilage bottle. But look what I just uncovered over here. Where'd it go? Right here. Stoneware ink. That's pretty exciting, huh? First one of those I found. That's awesome. Yep. Check it out. Okay, I'm gonna keep digging away. Get you back up if I find anything else. And a couple pictures of those too. Alright folks. I'm done scrounging around right here for now. Check out this pile of shoes. Wow. It's hard on the old footwear. Anyways, here's a bunch of the stuff that I'm not keeping. More shards. Decorative. This one here. Dr. True's Elixir. Established 18 something. Looks like it might have been a 5. This is a heartbreaker. Top and the bottom of it. Got a broken miner's liniment. Here's an old blown bottle. Bottom to one. See where it was broke off there. It was blown. Big lump in it. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna have a drink of water and relocate. Get back at you later. I finger pretty good on that one. So always remember to bring your band-aids with you. I'll get that cleaned up and get back at it. Ooh. Well, I just shut my camera off and took this up right down in there. It's a Johnson's American Anodyne liniment bottle. Cool. Hooked up. Got that light blue hue to it. Alright. I'm going to keep at her and get you back up here if I find anything else. Morning, afternoon, or evening, folks. Back with the cleanup here. A little background on this particular dig. I did 3 digs at this old homestead site. And the first dig and the third dig didn't consist of a whole lot, so I combined them together here. That's what you see, and the second dig will be on its own. So we'll start off with this Perry Davis vegetable painkiller bottle. I found that when I first discovered the site. It's an old screw top, probably from the 1930s. And the same with this old Homestead bottle. That's a local bottle, St. Stephen, New Brunswick. That's probably from the 30s. It's a soda bottle, even though it does say it's an International Drug Company Limited, but they made soda pop. The oldest find is this Inkwell, likely from the mid-1800s. It's in pretty good shape, survived fairly well. We got some old aqua blue tops there, 1800s. This here is a Dr. Chase's syrup, linseed, and turpentine Edmondson Bates and Company bottle piece. I kept it. I was going to look it up to see if I can find anything out about it. That's from the late 1800s. Got the Johnson's Liniment bottle. It's got a nice blue hue to it. Seam ends right up above the shoulder there. Late 1800s. I found several of these this year already, but this is probably the oldest one I found. Now what else we got here? This ribbed amber poison, a medicine. And this medicine's got a rounded back on it too. This is the first one I found like that. So that's kind of unique. This nice cobalt blue Noxzema. I like finding these. They're a nice shape. Almost remind you of an ink bottle, but it isn't. Got 2 Cube Carter's inks, a Waterman's Diamond ink, and a Carter's Mucilage bottle. And this is likely from the 1930s. The same with those inks are probably from the 30s as well. So that's everything, folks. Not a whole lot there of interest, but a few items. So thanks for watching. I hope everybody has a good luck on their outings. And we'll catch you all on the next one.